Good Thursday morning. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers to give you a look at your forecast for today, for this weekend, and for the first half of the week. Beautiful day, blue skies. We are going to see mostly sunny skies, just a few clouds out there this morning, as we head into the afternoon. We'll see more clouds as we head into the evening hours out in front of a storm system that looks to bring snow to the high country. But a gorgeous shot, live look out over Denver. Here's a look at your forecast hour by hour. We're going to be in the low 50s by 1 o'clock. We're going to top out around 52, 53 degrees in the metro area. Again, right around 3 o'clock, we start to see those clouds increase, some high-level clouds increase out in front of a storm system that looks to be bringing snow to the high country. We're talking about light snow to the mountains. It looks like we will stay dry down along the plains tomorrow. There is a slight chance we could see maybe some gravel, some light snow, but not expecting any impacts. Certainly down at the lower elevations, travel impacts of the high country, but limited. And then we'll see increasing clouds as we head into the evening hours, 50 degrees by 4 o'clock. We're looking at temperatures in the mid to upper 40s by 5, 6 o'clock. We're looking at low 40s as temperatures start to drop down close to 20 degrees for an overnight. Close to 30 degrees for an overnight low. Excuse me. Taking a look at our weather impact team headlines. The mild conditions, that tops the weather headlines for today with highs once again in the low 50s. Mountain snow, light snow returns to the forecast tomorrow once again on Sunday. So 2 different systems, one bringing light snow to the mountains, probably a trace to 4 inches tomorrow, and then another round Sunday into Monday. As for us here in Denver, we are looking mainly dry, likely until next Wednesday. Next Wednesday, we have another system that'll be the 3rd that we're talking about, one Friday, one Sunday, and another on Wednesday that does have a chance to bring us some snow to the lower elevations. Again, snow likely to the mountains, and possibly on Wednesday, snow at the lower elevations. Current temperatures mainly in the 40s to right around 50 degrees across the plains. We're looking at temperatures in the teens, 20s, and 30s in the mountains. Your forecast for the Denver metro area today: mild, lighter winds, mostly sunny skies, 53 degrees. So that is well above, about 9 degrees above our normal high temperature for this time of the year. Our normal high, 44, our forecast high, 53. So well above that. So we're looking at mainly 40s and 50s across the plains for forecast highs. 30s and 40s in the mountains. So increasing clouds from the southwest out in front of that storm system that will be bringing snow to the high country. So 3:30 this afternoon, we start to see those clouds increase over the metro area. 8 o'clock, cloudy skies up and down the urban corridor, still staying dry across the state. But by tomorrow morning, we do start to see some pops of the snow, and we're going to go ahead and track that in just a second. But let's talk about what's happening out there today wind-wise, because the wind's definitely settling down. Quite a different story than a couple days ago. Those current wind gusts, very calm, just about 7 miles per hour at DIA right now. Certainly Loveland Pass still getting some gusty conditions, but the foothills for the most part looking pretty calm as the winds no longer out of the west, but more of a southeasterly approach to the winds this afternoon. Tonight, partly cloudy. Those clouds will be increasing, temperatures dropping down in the upper 20s to right around 30 degrees tomorrow. Just a very slight chance we could see some light snow, or possibly a little bit of a wintry mix. Partly cloudy skies, 46 degrees. So in front of that storm, also colder weather. So the temperatures are going to drop down to closer to where we should be for this time of the year. Seasonal temperatures across the plains for this afternoon, with highs in the mainly 40s, low 50s for tomorrow, rather. I'm talking about this is for tomorrow. Highs in the mid to upper 40s, low 50s. 20s and 30s in the mountains. So let's look at the future cast for tomorrow and for that snow. So we start to see the light snow in the morning hours. I'm going to kind of walk through this if we can. Let's get this. Here we go. I'm going to take you back just a little bit. So we'll start to see some Friday waking up, we're looking dry. May start to see a little bit of light snow along the I-70 corridor. that continues to pop up. We'll see a little bit more intensification of that snow after the noon hour. But again, this is still light snow. We're talking about trace to 4 inches in the high country. And it is fairly widespread. That does include the I-70 corridor. So again, minor travel impacts because just not expecting a lot of moisture with this system. So not a lot of snowfall, but minor travel impacts up along I-70 in the mountains. As we head into Saturday morning, we are looking pretty clear here in the metro area. So again, likely we will be staying dry here in the metro area, but there is just a very slight chance we could see some sort of winter weather, but with very minimal impacts. How much snow are we talking about? Again, about trace to 4 inches, 1.2 Winter Park, over an inch, likely in Vail. Aspen getting over an inch with this next storm system as well. 7-day forecast, again, we are quiet today. Temperatures warming well above normal with a high of 53 degrees. That's your forecast high. And again, tomorrow we have that system moving in. That's going to bring snow to the high country, possibly some just very isolated rain, wintry mix, possibly some light snow at the lower elevations, but not expecting any sort of impact. Breezy conditions. Those winds are going to pick up as well. That's the other story behind this, is we're going to see some windy conditions with that storm. We're back to warm weather as high pressure builds in again on Saturday, 55 degrees. Sunday, we are looking warm. And again, we have mountain snow moving in on Sunday into Monday, cooler on Monday with a high of 46. We're back in the mid 40s. So basically where we should be Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. We have another system moving in on Wednesday to bring us some snow to the mountains on Wednesday, and there is a chance we could see some snow at the lower elevations as well. Again, some models showing that we could get snow, others showing that we won't. But again, it's a ways out. They'll come into alignment a bit more the closer we get to, probably by the beginning of Sunday into Monday, we'll know better about Wednesday's storm. But again, at this point, it looks like there's a chance that we could see some low elevation snow out of that storm by the middle part of next week. So again, we'll keep tracking that. As for your game day forecast for the Broncos, who will be taking on the Colts Sunday, 2:25. It is looking like a gorgeous afternoon for some football. 55 degrees at kickoff, 53 at halftime. Not too bad for the fourth quarter. Temperatures in the mid 40s. That is a quick look at your weather on this Thursday. Thanks so much for joining us here on 9 News Plus. I'm 9 News Weather Impact Team Meteorologist Keely Chalmers. Have a great day.